Chaminade, we're offered a large variety of different classes that we can take throughout our 4 years here.
Like there's science bowl, there's robotics, there's STEM club, there's so many AP courses that you can take that just kind of are really interesting.
At Chaminade, I was given the opportunity to take so many interesting science classes which engaged me and focused me in on what I liked about science, because I knew I liked science, but taking certain biology, chemistry classes, I was able to hone in on what I really liked about science in particular, and through that I was able to get the opportunity to talk to a Chaminade teacher, and they set me up with a college, and I was able to work at a research laboratory, which kind of expanded the knowledge I learned inside the classroom and brought it out to a more practical level and to more research-based.
Because of AP Chem, I decided to make my own club here at Chaminade, Chemistry Olympiad Club, and that further expanded my love by just being involved with chemistry more than just the classroom and getting a deeper look into the subject. So basically, it's regarding a multi-tiered competition, and the first step is taking a test in March. And the top 20% of all test takers get to move on to the next level. And so the club was just based around studying for this exam and also just getting deeper knowledge in chem.
I also have the Rocket Club, which is a club that builds rockets, rocket engines, very large rocket engines. Right now we're designing a motor that'll make 10,000 pounds of thrust, which is equivalent to, say, the escape motor for a cruise missile, something along those lines. Eventually we want to scale up and make it into a boosted dart and send a rocket to 150,000 feet, which will beat USC's altitude record.
Outside of the classroom, I do robotics, which is an after-school program where every Tuesday and Thursdays we come to the cafeteria and we basically just fiddle with robots, and we learn things that we just wouldn't learn inside of classroom, kind of like gear ratios and how motors work and things like that.
I'm on the robotics team, and I have the pleasure of going to the World Championships 4 different times. And that's an awesome experience because we get to go compete with teams from Japan, China, Malaysia, for example. So it's really fun getting to bond with people from different countries and sharing their different cultures with each other. We always trade shirts, trade different goodies from our countries, so that's always really fun.
Chaminade gave me the unique opportunity to go on an ecology project trip, and what we did was we camped on the beach, and we were able to do different things like swim with turtles and test water quality, and we also were able to learn about the culture there, which was also pretty cool.
Originally I went into the trip wanting to work with marine animals and turtles, and just working with the environment where we can't really get to do that here in California. So I think the best part of it for me was being able to go through the coral reefs and see all the different types of turtles that we don't really get to see here in California.
Well, I guess overall in a general sense, something fun would be in my science classes we do a lot of labs. Like in my physics and chemistry right now, we're doing lots of different labs, learning just how the world works.